Believers Radio.
Hey yo, welcome back again, you guys, to Believers Records, the show where we drop your heat every 4 times a week, the place where magic begins. So, guys, in today's video, I'm gonna be walking you through this Drake OVO sound Drumkit download. It's crazy, man. I know how we do it here in Believers Records. We always kill it. So, before we actually get into this, I would like to mention that I do offer mixing and mastering services. So, if you guys are down for that, just hit me up my number and we'll talk. And also, I would like to mention if you guys have any suggestions about what you guys would like to see on this channel, just let me know in the comments down below and I'll deliver. I'll be the dome man. I'll deliver. Just think of me as your chauffeur. So it's up to you to tell me, you know, what destination you guys want to go to. So, you know, just let me know and I'll deliver. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get into this. So before we actually get into the drum kit, I would like to give you that daily reminder. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to the channel. It surely does help us a lot. And be sure to hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I drop you some heat. And also, if you like this video, you can go ahead and give it a thumbs up. So without no further ado, let's go ahead and check out what this drum kit has in store for us. So there's some 808s, there's some claps, there's some hi-hats, there's some kicks, there's some loops, there's some midis, there's some one-shots, there's some percussion and snares, you know, nicely processed as always. So I'm gonna start you off first with the midis, then the loops, then the drums, like that. So let's listen to the first MIDI. So that's it for the midis. So that's it for the midis. Crazy as always. So you can go ahead, you can go as far as, you know, tweaking the midis if you don't like what you're hearing. You know, it's up to you and what you like. It's up to you what's your cup of tea. So let's listen to the loops. So there's like 2 loops here. So that's it for the loops. So you can actually finish this, and turn this to a whole crazy thing, like a beat or something. It's all about you, bro. So I hope these loops actually, help you. So let's go ahead and listen to the rest of the stuff, which is the drums. So I'm gonna start you first with the 808. So yeah, that's it. That's it for the sauce, bro. That's it for the kids. So it's crazy, man. It's crazy, isn't it? So make sure that you actually get it. Link in the description down below. So man, there's a lot of sounds for you to actually check out here. There's so many sounds, so many things here that can actually, boost up, your production process, as a producer. So make sure that you actually check it out. Make sure that you actually get it. So I would like to remind you again that I do offer mixing and mastering services. So if you guys are down for that, just hit me up. So yeah, that's it, man. So enjoy the kit, make crazy banging beats with this, and I'm gonna see you on the next one. Goodbye, stay safe, namaste.